Blow, blow, thou winter wind. William Shakespeare, known as the Bard of Avon, is one of the greatest dramatists of England. He wrote two long poems, a sonnet sequence, and a number of plays. The poem Blow, Blow, Thou Winter Wind has been taken from Shakespeare's play As You Like It. The poem compares the ingratitude of human beings with the harshness of rough winter. The ungratefulness of human beings causes much more hurt than the extreme cold during winters. The singer comments bitterly on friendship and love, which he feels may not be true. He sings happily about living in the forest. He feels that it is better to stay in the lap of nature than to be in a society which is fake. Thank you. Have a nice day.